Mmm. Coffee guy here. Why did I wait so long? I got so involved in the drama of the different lead singers right in the middle of the concert and stuff for Nightwish that I got stuck in 2012. And it's like, then I watched a short video about them and realized that they have different band members now, not just lead singers. So I got to move up a little bit more towards today, 2026. Going to go over May 31st of 2021, day before my birthday that year. Don't remember it, but that's all right. I'm really into steampunk. In fact, the beginning of this channel, I used to be called Philly Steampunk. So really, really, really into steampunk, and this looks like a steampunk beginning. So I'm excited. Here we go. Oh, Nightwish, The Islander's Arms. Right. We got at least one, maybe two of the band members. I was looking for the new band members, so I am so far behind. All right, a couple things trying to figure out Was that the guy that usually plays the unusual instruments like the bagpipes playing in backup singing now? Playing a guitar, bass guitar maybe? Pretty cool if that's the case. Yeah, there are some new faces here, so trying to get used to that. Still got the keyboardist. I think he's pretty much the lyricist of the band. Still got the lead singer. Still got the one guy, looks like he's moved up, the bagpiper. I like the song too, so all good. I'm enjoying it. Just got to get used to the changes. I got stuck in 2012. All right, good time to stop. That was good. I enjoyed the song. Didn't know when it was going to end. I kept trying to say it. Okay, it's over. Just trying to figure out how many new band members are there here. Could it be one, two, at least two, maybe three? Can't tell. The one guy's on the far right. Help me out. Two or three from 2012. I get confused. Either way, I'm excited. I love steampunk. I do. I really do. Very cool.